Friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about information transfer in this video from writing skill section, question number 6a. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get latest update from our channel. So let's get started with what is information transfer, what are the types of information transfer, and what are the examples of information transfer through this video. First of all, learn about what is information transfer. Information transfer means to convert information from verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. Basically, there are two types of information transfer. First one, non-verbal to verbal, and second, verbal to non-verbal. Students, you have a question in board activity sheet, question number 6a, about information transfer on your writing skill in your board examination. This question is for 5 marks. There is option for it. A1, you have to transfer the information from non-verbal to verbal, and A2, you have to transfer the information from verbal to non-verbal. Student, you have to solve any one of the given question. First of all, we will learn about the marking scheme of non-verbal to verbal. Here you have 1 mark for title, 2 marks for use of given points, 1 mark for grammar, and 1 mark for appropriate beginning and conclusion. Total 5 marks for A1. Then the second type, A2, verbal to non-verbal. Here title for 1 mark, covering all points for 2 marks, appropriate graphic oblique layout for 1 mark, overall presentation for 1 mark, total 5 marks. First of all, we are going to deal with non-verbal to verbal question type. Here you will be given some non-verbal information in the form of a table such as a tree diagram, flow chart, a web chart, a pie chart, etc. The information given will be a bare minimum. It will be diagrammatical or pictorial and consists of a few words or phrases. This information will be about some topic or issue which will be mentioned either as the title of the table, pie diagram or tree diagram, or in the center of the web or map. Read the given points carefully. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. You are expected to use the information to write 1 to 2 paragraphs covering all the points given in the question. But do not forget to give a title to the paragraph. Now we will learn a model question with solution. Question number 1. Books have the power to inspire and do many more things. Observe the web diagram and convert the information into a paragraph. Add a few more points to the given information. See the web diagram. Books in the middle, inspiration, pleasure, motivate, teach, knowledge. Now see the model answer for this question. First of all, you have to write the title for the write-up. See the title, Books Are True Friends. Books play an important role in our life. It is said that when you open a book, you open a new world. They are packed with knowledge, insights into a happy life lessons, love, fear, prayer, and helpful advice. They are our best companions. Books are our true friends. Books are a treasure house of knowledge, providing us information on all possible subjects. They have the power to inspire us to raise to great heights. At the same time, they give us plenty of pleasure. They can transport us cool places on a hot summer day or to a hot place in the dead winter. They can make us laugh or cry. Books are also wonderful teachers. They teach us much more than what we learn from the people around us. The best thing is that they allow the learner to learn at his her own pace. Finally, books motivate us to search out our inner strengths and talents and use them as well as we can. May there be many more books written. Now let us look into the next example, question number 2. Given here is a pie chart showing the results of 100 students of standard 10th in the preliminary exams. The chart shows the number of students who failed in the subjects mentioned. Now write the sentences describing the performance of the students. You may also compare performances. You may use words or phrases such as failed in, did not make the grade in, flunked in both, as well as altogether, lesser, more than, the maximum, the least, etc. Now see the pie chart. 5% history, 15% geography, 30% science, 28% English, and 22% mathematics. Now see the expected answer for the question. First of all, write the title as it is given on the screen. Performance of students. The pie chart shows the result of 100 students of standard 10th in the preliminary exams, as well as it shows the number of students who failed in the given subjects. SSC exam plays important role in every student's life. They have to appear for all the compulsory subjects. In all, 100 students appeared for the exams. Out of these, 22% students failed in mathematics. 28% students did not make the grade in English. 30% students failed to do well in the science, whereas 15% students did not get the passing percentage in geography. Altogether, 5% students flunked in history. The maximum failures were in science. The least failures were in history. More students failed in English than in mathematics. Students get good practice in such exams, so they should give such exams seriously for practice. Then only they will be able to get good marks in the board examination. Now let us focus on how to transfer information from verbal to non-verbal. Here you will be given a verbal information, that is a paragraph related to some topic or issue. You will have to pick out the main points from the information given and reframe it in the form of a table, a tree diagram, a flow chart, a web chart, a pie chart, or a map, etc., as mentioned in the instructions. Your answer should contain only those words which are an essential part for the non-verbal presentation. Avoid adding your own points, but do not forget to give it a suitable title to your write-up. Let us learn about model question with solutions. Question number 1. Read the given information and complete the table given with the information from the passage. There are 4 different types of soils. They are laterite soil, desert soil, black cotton soil, alluvial soil. The information of laterite soil takes place due to the washing of silica, salt, organic matter, and accumulation of sesquicoids. Sandy desert soil, on the other hand, is formed due to the action of winds, mechanical weathering of igneous rocks leads to the formation of black cotton soil. Last but not the least is the rich alluvial soil that is obtained through the depositing process of rivers. Now let us learn about the expected answer of the question. First of all, student, you have to write the title as it is given on the screen. Soil, types and formation. Tabular information, serial number, types of soil and formation. First, laterite soil and formation of the laterite soil as it is due to washing of silica, salt, organic matter and accumulation of sesquicoids. Second point, sandy desert soil. Formation due to the action of winds. Third point, black cotton soil. Formation of black cotton soil is as mechanical weathering of igneous rocks. Fourth point, alluvial soil. Formation, the depositing process of rivers. Now learn about one more example of information transfer. Question number 2, given below is a paragraph outline the uses of motorcycle. Transfer the information in the form of a web diagram or map. The title, the uses of motorcycle. The motorcycle has become a vehicle that has many uses not only in the town but also in the countryside as well. For one thing, it saves a lot of time even in towns and villages. It is very useful for college students who have to travel long distances instead of depending the irregular bus services. There are many people in towns and cities who keep motorcycles for their servants to go out and buy provisions. Workers in cities and even farmers in villages use motorcycle frequently. This is because the motorcycle helps to get the work done speedily. Of course, in order to drive the motorcycle, a driving license is compulsory. Also, one must use a helmet and drive carefully to avoid serious accidents. Now students, learn about the expected answer of the question. First of all, write the title, the uses of motorcycle. Then write in the middle of the web the uses of motorcycle. See the first point in the web, it saves a lot of time. Second point, useful for college students to travel long distances. Useful for servants to go out and buy provisions. Useful for workers in cities. Fourth point, useful for farmers in villages. And last point, useful to get the work done speedily. In this way, student, you have to practice for the information transfer, then you will get good marks in this question. Thank you.